Hello, students of class 8. This is from that complex compound simple complex compound sentences. So, in each of the following compound complex sentences, underline the independent clauses, and put a bracket around the dependent clauses. That is the question. The first one was uh, the farmers who were on a hunger strike began to fall ill, yet they refused to give in. So the farmers began to fall ill. That part is your simple sentence. Then who with this conjunction starts that subordinate clause dependent one. Who were on a hunger strike. Up to here I have put it in bracket. Then again, yet they refuse to give in. So this part is compound sentence, dependent clause. So this part also I have put in bracket. Next, though I was very tired, this part is complex. So subordinate clause, dependent one. So I have put in bracket. Then I completed my project. This part is simple, independent clause. So I have put I have underlined this portion. And from 4 I had to submit it the next morning. This part is again dependent clause. I have put in bracket. Now I am moving on to the next page. There these very things, some other problems are there. Number 3, we left the party early. This part I have underlined, that means it is the independent clause. As it was getting late, this part is dependent clause, subordinate clause, but we had this part is uh, actually a coordinate clause, again dependent, so I have put these two parts within brackets. Next, number 4, unless you eat nutritious food, this part is dependent clause, so put in bracket. You will not be healthy, this part is independent clause. Nor will you be not be healthy, this part is independent. And nor will you be happy, this part is coordinate clause, dependent one. So I have put these two parts within brackets, and this part I have underlined. Next, number 5, when my mother comes home from work, this part is dependent clause, so put in bracket. She teaches the underprivileged children, this part is independent clause, who live in our locality, this part again is dependent clause. Now I would like to move on to the next question, that is B. Identify the following sentences as complex compound or complex compound sentence. He loves skiing, yet he does not. Yet is there, coordinating conjunction, so this is compound sentence. The students did not pay attention in the class, nor, again coordinate clause is coordinate conjunction is there. Did they do any homework? So this one again is CD, that means compound. I love this city, but I have to leave it since I have a new job in Mumbai. Since is there, but is there, so coordinating and subordinating conjunctions are there, that's why it is complex compound, CC. Next, number 4, while the lecture was going on, I was waiting for the bus. While this part is subordinating, this is subordinating conjunction, so it is complex sentence, C. Next, even though my grandmother used to tell us, even though is there, so it is I do not remember most of them, it is complex sentence. They went out to play but had to return quickly, but is there. As it began, as is again subordinating, but is coordinating, so it is complex compound, CC. So this much for today, with something new. Whatever is there in the lesson, I will come again. Till that time, goodbye. Thank you.